Good morning, children. Let us learn about the geography lesson for agriculture. In previous class, we have learned about the commercial farm of the agriculture. In commercial farm, they are going to be cultivate the large land also. So it is 100 above the 100 acres of the land they are going to be uh, cultivated, and also that the commercial farming of the grains, especially we have seen in the places of the Europe and Asia, and also the North America, Europe and Asia also. So where there is sparsely populated with large farms spreading over 100 hectares of the land, they are going to be cultivated here, and also that they grow only the single crop. The in 100 hectares of the land also, only single crop they are going to be grow, like a wheat. If they are growing the wheat, they will grow the wheat. And also the in other forms of the grains also, only one grain, only one crop only they are going to be grow it. So today let us discuss about the mixed farming. In mixed farming, the land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing the livestock. And here they grow the crops, and also that the mixed the food and fodder for the animals, food and also fodder also they are going to be grow here. And also they maintain agriculture, and also that they maintain to grow the crops, and also the even animals also they uh, maintain it, the animal rearing, and also the as well as the even growing of the crops also, the both they are going to be maintained it. So food and fodder, food for the animal, even if they are growing the large amount of the crop, and the food they are going to provide for their livestock also. So food and for the both also they are going to be maintain it. It is the mixed farming. Here we can see here about the mixed farming is practiced in the places of the Europe, Eastern United States of the America, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. Growing of the crop as well as maintenance of the livestock also. So next one is the plantation. These are the commercial crops. 100 acres of the land they are growing the only one crop, and that uh, crop, and also they are going to be sell in the very big markets. And even the mixed farming also, both they are going to be livestock as well as the growing of the crops also. And the next one is the plantation. Plantations are a type of commercial farming where single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana or cotton are grown. So children, if you see here in our area present, where we are in Bagalkot district and also the Bijapur district present, where we are staying in our surrounding, in these places you can observe that the plantation agriculture in a large amount of the land, in large area. Here we can see that sugar cane they are growing. The plantation here they have given the commercial farming, commercial economic development, they get the more money also. Here the single crop they will grow, that is the tea, coffee. Present in our area they are growing the sugar cane also, cashew, rubber, banana or cotton are grown. Large amount of labor and capital are required for the plantation. They need the more labors. So children, to take the tea leaves also, and also to collect the tea leaves they need the more labor, and even in to work in a coffee. And also sugar cane, when they are going to cut the sugar cane, sometimes it is possible by the more labors only. Neatly they can cut. They use the more labors also. And cashew, rubber, banana or cotton. In these they need the more labors to take to collect the materials also. Large amount of labor and capital are required to maintain the sugar cane and coffee, tea, rubber also. They have to spend the more money. They spend the more money, even they get the more amount also. The produce may be processed on the farm itself or in nearby factories. So here the plantation agriculture, especially if we observe in our area, here sugar industry is there, and example Nandi sugar industry is there, and surrounding of that farmers also easy to carry their sugar cane to the industry also. So the for transport purpose, near the plantations the industries also will be developed more. The development of the transport network is thus essential for such farming also. So to carry the rubber or cotton or the banana, tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, all these also transportation is more essential. And major plantation are found in the tropical regions of the world. And rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples. So large quantity of the uh, crops they grow in the places, especially rubber in Malaysia, where the rubber is growing more in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples. These are the major plantation areas which crop they are growing also. So let us learn about the major crops, the more important crops. We can see a large variety of crops are grown to meet the requirement of the growing population. So when the population is growing, they need the more food also. So that's why the major crops, the crops also supply raw material for agro based industries. And major food crops are wheat, rice, maize and millets. Jute and cotton are fiber crops. Important beverage crops are tea and coffee. So here to grow the crops, some of the crops they depend on the agro based industries. The industries they depend on the agriculture. So children, if you see here, the sugar in industry is there. If the farmer is not growing the sugar cane, and how the industry they are going to be developed. So the industries which are based on the depending on the agriculture is called the agro based industries also. The major food crops, wheat, rice, maize and millets, and also the fiber crops, jute and cotton are the fiber crops. Important beverage crops are tea and coffee. About the food crops and also the fiber crops and beverage crops also, let us learn in the tomorrow's class. Thank you.